When something unexpected shows up, you and your vehicle don't always have to stop. With the remote assistance service, your dealer, with your permission, connects straight to your vehicle, wherever you are.
No workshop visit? No towing?
Often none at all. It works through the vehicle's connectivity. A specialist at your dealer runs a real-time diagnosis remotely, and when possible, they fix software issues, run updates, and unlock the vehicle.
All from here?
Yes!
Great news in such a busy day.
First, set things up safely, park in a safe place away from traffic, and make sure no one stands near the vehicle. Key on, engine off, parking brake on, battery charged.
Done.
Set your phone to hands-free or speaker. You'll stay in the cabin for the whole session. Contact either the dealer or the Assistance Non-Stop 24 service, requesting assistance via phone call.
Ready.
Glad to help you.
Now, a PIN code should appear shortly on your instrument cluster.
PIN code is on its way. PIN code is 47290.
Now, accept the disclaimer to start the remote assistance session.
Okay, got it. Entering it now. Connection established.
That's it.
Yes, I'm now connected to your vehicle.
During the session, the dealer specialist checks the vehicle and runs the necessary updates. Just follow their voice. And remember, engine and key stay exactly as they are.
Running diagnosis. Updating now. All done. You're good to go.
Back in business.
If you have an older vehicle model, you'll need to use your EasyWay app or your infotainment system. Follow the same guided process until you get a PIN code.
Remote assistance service is available on vehicles from model year 2019 with connectivity box and on Eurocargo from model year 24. Remote assistance service, less downtime, more road ahead.
Welcome on board.